Hi, this is your dietitian Anuradha here. Today we will like to know how coconut laddu is made and very healthy and delicious. Simple thing, you just have to grate the coconut, the fresh coconut, grate it and keep aside. Then you have to take jaggery, 2 cups. If you are taking coconut, 2 cups, take equal amounts of jaggery. 2 cups of jaggery, you just have to, little water, you have to boil it. Then you bring it to the thin thread consistency. Like how do you know? Just take a plate, in that pour water, put this jaggery into that and then you lift and touch. You get the string consistency of the jaggery. Then you have to pour this coconut. You can add cardamom powder. You can add little ghee to it for adding taste and just keep churning the coconut, and then when it comes near and you will find it almost the jaggery and the coconut is near to each other, then you switch it off, then make a balls once it is warm. So transfer from kadai to another one. Don't put hand into your kadai where you make the coconut mixture. Remove it to the other vessel, then grease your palms, then you take little and make balls. Coconut laddu is ready. It's very simple and easy. I hope you all try. It's very nutritious and also delicious. So I think you all will try. All the best.